Alright, so to combine our scales and our triads, we're going to use an F blues, just the first four measures of it, and we're going to talk about this. This is a chord symbol for F. It's just an F, and then a B flat, and then an F, and then we've got, for 2 beats, a C minor, and 2 beats, an F7, or an F dominant 7. So if we start with the F, we could do something as simple as just doing a triad on F. So we find, and it's going to be major because there's nothing after it. If there's no M after it or any other qualifier, then it's a major triad. So we can find the note F, and we can play an F major triad, like so. And that would line us up to come right into a B flat right here. On the 3rd fret of the G string, it's the note B flat. So I started on F, I did my major triad, and then I can come right into the B flat. Okay? Now, if we want to then get back to an F, we could use a scale down from the B flat. That's going to leave us short one note, so we could move just chromatically to fill the gap in to go to F. Or we could come below it chromatically by a half step and come back to the F. So far we've got triad, scale, approach by half step into F, and we're back to the F here. Okay. Now there's all kinds of other ways we could do that, and we could start in a different place and play an F triad here, using the open A as part of our pattern. There's all kinds of different ways we can do that. So we come back to the F, and we've got to get to a C. Well, we can scale down to a C. Into a C, filling in the gap again on the way down. And then we've got 2 beats on the C, and it's a C minor. So if we're going to do that, we want to make sure that whatever we do, we've got this minor third in it. And there's that minor third right here. So if we scale down into it, we can shorten up, put our first finger there for our minor triad, and then we've got an F7, okay, right here, and so we can go right back to F, right there, okay, and then we can either play part of the triad, or we can play F followed by a C right below it, which is another part of the triad, just in the other direction. So all together, here's a bass line that we can use. Whoops. Whoops. Too many whoopses.